In a survey conducted by the International Student Admission Service, around 12% of Indian students said they would prefer to study in Canada. The number of Indian students in Canada jumped from 32,000 in 2015 to 107,000 in 2018. One of the reasons for the popularity of Canada is that work is readily available to students after they graduate. Students can, in fact, apply for work permits while they are studying and earn up to 10 to 15 Canadian dollars per hour. In this video, we'll check out the different courses in Canada after 12th that Indian students can pursue. We are a one-stop platform for your study abroad dream. Connect with student mentors, get free counseling, IELTS preparation, loans, scholarship, and much more. We keep creating informative content on study abroad. So hit that like button and subscribe to our channel to get constant updates. Let's dive deeper into this topic. Here are the popular courses in Canada after 12th. Commerce with Maths. For students who have taken mathematics in class 12 together with commerce, here are some of the courses in Canada after 12th. To be eligible to opt for courses in Canada after 12th commerce, the minimum percentage is 70 to 80%. The eligibility criteria vary from university to university. Check out the requirements in the respective websites for each institute. Here is a general idea of the criteria. In TOEFL, it's 213. In IELTS, it's 6 pointers and 70% or above in class 12th examination. Now let's look at the fee structure. Students must take time and choose an ideal university abroad to apply for courses in Canada after 12th commerce. Some of the best institutes for commerce are University of Toronto, the University of British Columbia, and McMaster University. Now let's see commerce without maths. If you are looking for courses in Canada after 12th commerce and have not taken mathematics, you can opt for the following programs. You need to secure 70 to 80% in your 12th board examination to be eligible for any of these courses. Plus, IELTS or TOEFL scores are equally important, and in some cases, students might have to qualify a DELF or TEF exam. The eligibility criteria for courses in Canada after 12th commerce depend on the university that you are applying for. But in general, the TOEFL score is around 213 with an IELTS score of 6 pointers. Now let's check out the fee structure. Now let's see science for medical. As a student willing to study in Canada after 12th, medical is an often popular option. The process of becoming a practicing doctor, however, is different from that in India. Students first have to get a bachelor's degree from any Canadian university before they enter a medical school. Also, medical schools prefer that students get their undergraduate degree in pure science. Some of the popular medical and science courses in Canada after 12th are: for science courses in Canada after 12th, students will need to achieve a minimum of 70 to 80% in their board exams. Students also need a TOEFL score of 80 and an IELTS score of 6.5 to pursue pre-med courses in Canada after 12th. Here's the fee structure you can check on the screen for pre-med courses in Canada. Now the next course is Pure Science. Displayed here are some of the most sought after courses in Canada after 12th which students can pursue in Pure Science. For Pure Science students, the minimum cutoff to be eligible for higher studies in Canada is around 70 to 80% in their board exams. Apart from that, students also need to give proof of their English proficiency through IELTS score of 6 and TOEFL score of 100. So here is the fee structure you can see on the screen. Now the next course is Arts. Indian students willing to study in Canada after 12th and those who want to build a lucrative career should consider applying for a Bachelor's of Arts degree. Here are some of the popular courses they can pursue. Students of humanities and arts streams need a minimum of 65% in 12th board examinations to be eligible for higher studies in arts in Canadian universities. Additionally, students need to qualify IELTS in 6.5 and TOEFL in 100. Here is the fee structure you can check out on the screen. Some of the best Canadian institutes for arts are the University of Toronto, the University of British Columbia, and McGill University. Now let us talk about nursing course. Bachelor of Science in Nursing is one of Canada's most popular courses for Indian students. The course is formally known as Bachelor of Science in Nursing, General Nursing and Midwifery (GNM), Auxiliary Nursing and Midwifery (ANM), and Post-Basic BSc in Nursing. Students need a minimum of 70 to 80% in class 12 to apply for this degree. A TOEFL score of 90 is also mandatory. Now let's see the fee structure of nursing course. Now let us talk about 1-year management course in Canada. BBA in Supply Chain Management, HR Management, Accounting, Finance, Retail Management and Marketing is a popular choice among students who aim to study in Canada after 12th. Apart from this full-time course, there are also part-time courses such as Diploma in Business Administration Marketing, Diploma in Business Administration HR, Diploma in Business Administration Finance, Diploma in Office Administration. For diploma courses, the minimum marks is flexible and varies from one university to another, but students will need to score 70 to 80% for the degree course, mathematics included. The required TOEFL score is 213, while that for IELTS is 6 pointers. Here is the fee structure displayed. Now let's see diploma courses in Canada. Some of the popular diploma courses in Canada after 12th are displayed here. Students can also opt for vocational courses which are displayed here. Some of the best colleges in Canada are displayed here. Now you must be getting really confused regarding courses in Canada with what to choose and what not to choose. So here are the frequently asked questions. Which course is best in Canada after class 12th? The answer is BSc in Computer Science and Computer Science Engineering are some of the best courses to opt for in Canada after 12th. Is it ideal to go to Canada after 12th? The answer is yes. Canadian culture welcomes international students and the government has in place many schemes to convert a study permit into permanent residency. Through the Express Entry system, Canada has issued over 100,000 invitations. Which courses are in demand in Canada? The answer is Computer Science, Engineering, Nursing, Management and Finance are some of the Canada's most sought after courses. What jobs are in demand in Canada? The answer is software professionals, nurses and doctors. What is the minimum percentage required to study in Canada? The answer is for students applying for a science or commerce degree, the minimum marks required is around 70 to 80%, while for arts, the minimum marks is 65%. The cost of doing MS abroad is quite expensive. Therefore, students should opt for scholarship programs provided by several funders. Leap Scholar is one such platform which has provided $250,000 worth scholarships to aspiring students to accelerate their career in a global environment. We cover up to 100% tuition fees and cover more than 5,000 courses from abroad, along with scholarships We also provide counseling and IELTS coaching to students at just Rs 499. If you are looking for best and affordable IELTS online coaching, then you should register for Leap Scholars free masterclass program, where you will get to know secret tips to prepare IELTS along with live doubt clearing sessions and more. We have limited seats, so register soon. All the best and take the leap.